Music. Capital One versus CIBC Bank, which is better? Choosing the right bank can be tough. This video compares Capital One and CIBC to help you decide. Full details are linked below. Let's see how they stack up. Capital One is perfect for digital banking fans. Their online and mobile platforms make managing money easy. They offer checking, savings, credit cards, and loans. Their 360 performance savings account boasts competitive interest rates with no fees or minimums. Plus, their top-rated mobile app is super user-friendly. However, Capital One lacks the extensive branch network of traditional banks. CIBC excels for those wanting a traditional banking experience. With branches mainly in Texas, California, and Michigan, CIBC provides checking, savings, business banking, and loans, focusing on small businesses and entrepreneurs. They offer various checking accounts, from low-fee to premium options. However, CIBC's fees and interest rates are generally higher than Capital One's, and their mobile app isn't as user-friendly. So, if you prioritize digital banking with no-fee accounts and competitive rates, choose Capital One. If you prefer in-person banking and personalized service, CIBC might be better. Check the links below for more information and find the perfect bank for you.